Each MBTI personality type brings unique perspectives to business strategy. In this video, we will look at the approach of each MBTI type. Strategically, different types might be more effective in different for-profit or not-for-profit industries. Also, certain types might be better suited to where a business is in its life cycle and how it is performing. Hello, I'm Paul Sacco, and I'm a former chemical engineer, business leader, and currently an MBTI practitioner. Let's get into how leaders might approach business strategy by employing the perspective of their type. Analysts: INTJ, INTP, ENTJ, ENTP. INTJ: the architect. INTJs approach business strategy with a long-term vision and meticulous planning. They focus on creating efficient systems and processes, often using data and analysis to inform their decisions. The ENTJ might quote Sun Tzu, "Strategy without tactics is the slowest route to victory. Tactics without strategy is the noise before defeat." INTP, the logician. INTPs are innovative and analytical. They approach strategy by exploring new theories and concepts, often thinking outside the box to find unconventional solutions. The favorite strategy quote of the INTP might be, "The essence of strategy is choosing what not to do," by Michael Porter. ENTJ, the commander. ENTJs are natural leaders who excel at setting ambitious goals and driving their teams to achieve them. They approach strategy focusing on efficiency, organization, and achieving measurable results. An ENTJ might quote Warren Bennis, who said, "Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality." Diplomats: INFJ, INFP, ENFJ, ENFP. INFJ, the advocate. INFJ's approach strategy focuses on values and long-term impact. They aim to create strategies that align with their vision for a better future and often consider the ethical implications of their decisions. The INFJ could quote Eleanor Roosevelt, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." INFP, the mediator. INFPs are idealistic and creative. They approach strategy by finding unique, value-driven solutions that resonate personally, often prioritizing authenticity and integrity. INFPs might appreciate Franklin D. Roosevelt's words, "The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today." ENFJ, the protagonist. ENFJs are charismatic and inspiring leaders. They approach strategy by motivating and organizing others to work towards a shared vision, often focusing on collaboration and team cohesion. Simon Sinek's quote, "Leadership is not about being in charge, it is about taking care of those in your charge," might be appreciated by the ENFJ. ENFP, the campaigner. ENFPs are enthusiastic and imaginative. They approach strategy by exploring new possibilities and inspiring others with creative ideas, often focusing on innovation and adaptability. The ENFP's strategic perspective might be reflected in Ralph Waldo Emerson's quote, "Do not follow where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail." Sentinels: ISTJ, ISFJ, ESTJ, and ESFJ. ISTJ, also known as the logistician, are practical and detail-oriented. They approach strategy by improving existing processes and ensuring systems run smoothly, often focusing on reliability and efficiency. The ISTJs might also like to quote Peter Drucker, "Efficiency is doing things right. Effectiveness is doing the right things." ISFJ, the defender, are supportive and reliable. They approach strategy by creating stable and efficient environments that support the well-being of others, often prioritizing harmony and cooperation. The ISFJ might also like the quote from Mahatma Gandhi: "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." ESTJ, the executive, are organized and decisive. They approach strategy by implementing structured plans and ensuring that goals are met efficiently, often focusing on results and accountability. The ESTJ's view of strategy comes from General George S. Patton. Good tactics can save even the worst strategy. Bad tactics will destroy even the best strategy. ESFJ, the consul, are caring and sociable. They approach strategy by fostering collaborative environments and ensuring everyone's needs are met, often focusing on team morale and customer satisfaction. Muhammad Ali said, "Service to others is the rent you pay for your room here on Earth." And I think this would resonate with the ESFJ. Explorers, ISTP, ISFP, ESTP, and ESFP. ISTP, the virtuoso, are practical and hands-on. They approach strategy by experimenting with new problem-solving tools and techniques, often focusing on immediate results and adaptability. The ISTP might like, strategy is about making choices, trade-offs. It's about deliberately choosing to be different, by Michael Porter. ISFP, the adventurer, are artistic and spontaneous. They approach strategy by bringing a fresh, creative perspective to their work, often focusing on personal expression and innovation. Steve Jobs once said, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." I think this would influence the strategy of an ISFP. ESTP, the entrepreneur, are energetic and perceptive. They approach strategy by taking risks and seizing opportunities as they arise, often focusing on dynamic and flexible solutions. Donald Trump might resonate with ESTPs. He said, "Sometimes by losing a battle, you find a new way to win the war." ESFP, the entertainer, are outgoing and enthusiastic. They approach strategy by bringing energy and creativity to their projects, often focusing on creating a fun and engaging atmosphere. The ESFP might live by Helen Keller's words, "Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all." Each type's prototypical approach to business strategy. Which type do you think best describes your approach to business strategy, or that in your business? I'm Paul Sacco, and I can help you discover your personality type and help you improve your performance and that of your team. Visit my website by following the link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more insights.